So if you guys keep driving with bad NOx sensor, you can say bye bye to your engine and you may spend thousands of dollars. Stay with us and we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a gasoline engine guys and you want to know what is a NOx sensor, where the NOx sensor is located, okay, what it does, and can you drive with a bad NOx sensor. All that will be covered in this video today guys. Make sure to stay until the end, because if you keep driving with that NOx sensor, we'll explain how it can slowly actually destroy your engine. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools, NOx sensor, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. With that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. This right here guys, this is an engine that we've been taking apart, so we can actually demonstrate on it. You can see the whole engine has been taken apart. We'll be rebuilding it, and many of you requested information about the NOx sensor. NOx sensor on most cars will be located on the upper part of the engine block or the lower section of the cylinder head. Now if you have two cylinders head, let's say a V6 engine, you will have most likely two NOx sensors. If you have a V8, you will have two NOx sensors. If you have a inline engine, most likely you will have one NOx sensor. If it's a straight inline 6-cylinder engine, you will most likely have two NOx sensors guys for each bank. Now that's where the NOx sensor is located, but what it does guys, let's talk about that now. You know how we go to the gas station, okay? The gas station, you see different pumps with different octane rating. Here in the US you can see anything from like 85 all the way to 93. How the engine knows, okay, that you put different fuel, because different octane means practically different fuel. One is more powerful, one ignites earlier, one ignites later. The lower the octane, the earlier the fuel ignites, okay, and it's not so stable. So that not stable fuel guys, okay, can cause to premature, okay, combustion in your engine. Let's say the piston is going up to compress the fuel and the air, but before it reaches TDC, when the spark plug is supposed to ignite it, it explodes guys, okay, while it's going up. That will create a knock, because practically the piston will not be finishing going up, and in that way, okay, now all of a sudden it ignites and it will try to go down at the same time. That creates kind of like a pinging, like a knock, and the NOx sensor is going to catch that signal, okay, that you have a early combustion that occurred. It's going to send it guys to the engine computer. The engine computer will adjust the variable timing, because most of those new engines has variable timings, even dual head over dual camshaft variable timing. Okay, it will adjust the fuel spray pattern, when to spray it. It will adjust the ignition of the spark plugs. It can adjust so many things to prevent that, so it can actually adapt to the octane of the fuel. So that's the purpose of the sensor. If you keep driving with a bad NOx sensor guys, okay, let's explain how it can destroy your engine. But for any of you that need to test the NOx sensor, we have a special video that explains how to test NOx sensor, and it will teach you how to do that. I think it's on our second YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out, we have a video how to do that. But if you keep driving with bad NOx sensor, the engine will not be able to do those adjustments, and that early, okay, premature combustion, okay, firing of the gasoline can lead to burn valves, broken piston rings, burnt catalytic converters, burnt oxygen sensors, multiple things guys. So burn valve, you have to take the whole engine apart, cylinder head to replace a valve, okay, which could be quite costly. Broken piston rings can destroy your engine as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.